So, what are abstract learners? This type of a learner is more inclined toward theoretical concepts and ideas. They enjoy exploring relationships, principles. They love looking for patterns and themes rather than focusing solely on those concrete details. So, key characteristics of these abstract learners include looking at that big picture. They are very intuitive, they're flexible in their thinking, and they really have a preference for conceptual learning. Abstract learners tend to see a broad context and they appreciate the interconnectedness of ideas and patterns. They're going to enjoy exploring theories and concepts that extend beyond immediate applications. These learners are often going to rely on intuition and insights, and they're going to use that to grasp complex ideas and make connections that may not be immediately apparent to others. So, abstract learners are typically more comfortable with ambiguity and uncertainty. They can adapt their thinking to explore new ideas and approaches, even in the absence of concrete evidence. So, the abstract learner is also going to thrive in an environment that encourages discussion, critical thinking, and an exploration. They love to brainstorm ideas rather than some kind of remote memorization of facts and application. The abstract learner thrives on theory. They love to explore theoretical concepts, relationships, and overarching themes and patterns. They like that more than focusing on concrete details. They excel at seeing the big picture and relying on intuition. They embrace ambiguity and they engage in critical thinking to grasp those more complex ideas.